So SoFi stock has been making higher highs every day, and looks like we are seeing some massive movement on this stock. I noticed something very interesting and I wanted to share with everyone. This is going to be a very quick video. So when I was looking at SoFi chart today, it was clear that we have seen some amazing support for this stock. And let me share with everyone what I'm seeing with this stock, and tomorrow will be really interesting to see if the stock can maintain the trend. So this is what I saw today. So let's start with the volume. So you can see that SoFi touched $21 in the middle of the day and then settled down a bit, but what was really exciting was the volume. Now, when I'm recording this video, the shares are still being traded after the market close, so we will find out the exact number traded after 8 p.m. today. But if you look at Yahoo, you can see that we have already changed hands for about 48 million shares, while the average volume is about 22 million right here. So we have traded about 48 to 74, average is about 22. So we have already traded double the volume that we usually trade on SoFi stock. Along with that, market told us a few more things, and it'll be really interesting on what's going to happen tomorrow. Take a look at this chart. This is really interesting. So this is last 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3, and then today 10-18. Now, if you pay attention, every Monday, if you pay attention over here, we have actually gained the number of shares. If you can see, the volume has been, or the stock has been traded in positive. So the biggest volume trade we got was on last Monday, October 11th, when the price was $18.39 and the price net change, or the price went up by $2.18, and we had about 34 million shares that was traded. And it was a positive day. That's why you see green over here. The same thing happened on 9/27 when the price went up just by 6 cents, and you can see that the net change was about positive 7 million shares. So this is really exciting. But if you pay attention to this chart over here, you can see, I'm going to enlarge it actually. After every positive day, we have a red day right here. Last 3 weeks have shown us that anytime if we have a positive any number of shares, we have seen a red day followed by it. Over here, it was only one red day, and then we saw this huge price movement right after that. And this is when all the hedge funds added. Remember, I did a video where all the hedge funds added on September 30th. That's why you see all the volume coming up and all these shares that was added. And then after that, anytime when the volume is net change positive, you can see that we have few red days followed by it. It's going to be really interesting to see what SoFi does tomorrow in terms of can it maintain the lead. Because if it can maintain the lead, it's breaking a trend. That means it's a very bullish sign. Along with that, I'm going to show you one more thing. Pay attention to this over here. Every Friday, we have this negative change over here. Of course, option expiry, people taking profit. So Monday, we have green day right here, and then followed by a couple of red days, and then another green day. As you can see, the same pattern from the last 2 weeks. And then we have this sell-off on Friday. So let's see if we can continue this bullish trend. This is really exciting because I feel if we can continue this bullish trend, we are going to see the stock making new highs in the coming days. Now I'm going to show you the price chart. So now looking at the chart, you can see that the price action today was amazing. We have seen the price almost touch $21 in the middle of the day, and after that it cooled down a little bit. But I feel the next stop we have is about $21 and about 18 or 15 cents. After that, the next stop I see over here is if we can cross the 21.18 or 21.19 cents over here, we can see the next stop over 21.60, around 21.70 will be the next stop. And after that, if we can cross that, then we are hitting about 22 to 22.50. This is really, really exciting because this shows us that we are in the bull, literally in the bull territory, if we can somehow break this trend of having a positive day followed by 2 negative days or a couple of negative days. And that's why I kind of titled the video as tomorrow, because I wanted to know exactly what's going to happen, because this kind of bullish sentiment we are seeing on SoFi stock wasn't there a couple of weeks ago because the market, overall market conditions has changed. Tesla has been doing well, SoFi has been doing well, Facebook, which was so much under pressure, today finally came out of it. So we are seeing this bullish trend, and I'm really excited to see what our SoFi is going to do tomorrow. So I wanted to share this quick update as it'll be interesting to see if we can continue the momentum as we have today and break this pattern of profit taking the following day and take the stock higher to bring it to new highs. That'll be awesome for this stock and of course for all us shareholders. Do not miss the bank charter video that's coming out tomorrow. It has some amazing info and the timeline in it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I provided some value, and if you enjoyed the video, then click on the like button and subscribe so you do not miss out on future videos. An absolute pleasure to share these details. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.